Good morning, class family. It's a thankful Thursday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Let's start with the date. March 30th, 2023. Dear class family, today is Thursday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we review letters and tap words. Next, we will share our thinking about a poem. Then, we will decide how our poem will look on the page. Last, we will look at the Lexia data and do literacy centers. It is a great day, love Miss Joyner. Oh, it is a great day. It's fantastic. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Let's look back and reread the message. Remember, good readers read things again. It's called rereading. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Let's start with this month. I see a capital letter MARCH. Do you know what that says? I heard some of you say it. It does say March. If you remember that, go ahead and pat yourself on the back. And let's reread the whole date again. March 30th, 2023. After the date, let's reread the greeting, beginning with the word dear. Dear class family. After the greeting, I see a punctuation mark. It starts on the line, does a little curve. Do you know what that's called? I heard some of you say it. It is a comma. As we are rereading, let's look for these punctuation marks. And in class, we're going to be circling them in person. Let's go ahead and review the names. Are you ready? Comma, period, exclamation mark, also called an exclamation point, and question mark. All right, let's go ahead and continue rereading. Look at the first telling sentence. I noticed a bigger space to indent or jumpstart. Good writers leave a bigger space before beginning each paragraph. Also, look at the capital letters. I see a capital letter that starts this sentence. Good writers start sentences with capital letters. Let's go ahead and reread. Today is Thursday. It is Thursday, and it's a thankful Thursday. Look at the next sentence. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. You know we do that each day to be a great collaborator, communicator, and creative and critical thinker. We do this by listening, writing, and drawing, asking and answering questions, making connections, and sharing our thinking. Speak loudly and clearly for all to hear you. Use your mouth to speak and your ears to listen. All right, now let's go ahead and read this sentence, starting with this transitional word. Review these transitional words with me. You ready? Say it together. First, next, then, last. Remember, good writers can sequence their writing with first, next, then, and last. Good readers do that as well as they sequence a story or put the events in order. To get ready for first grade, let's go ahead and use these transitional words. Say them with me. First. First, we will review letters and tap words. Okay, just like we do every day in kindergarten, we use our word wall as a resource to review the ABCs, letters, sounds, pictures to match that word, and American Sign Language. Let's go ahead at this time and review the vowels with red in the background. A apple A, E ed E, I itch I, O octopus ah, and U up We'll also be reviewing tapping CBC words, and we're going to see how good writers can sound out the words that they're trying to say and think of the beginning, middle, and ending sound and to write down what they hear. Let's go ahead and continue to reread, starting with this word. It starts with a capital letter N, like N, nut, N. Say it with me. Next. Next, we'll share our thinking about a poem. Oh, we will. You know, we always share our thinking. And as we're learning more about poetry, we're going to read a poem and we're going to share our thinking with others in class. Remember, poetry can have a rhythm or beat, rhyme, repetition. It creates a picture in your mind. tells a story, and can incorporate the five senses. All right, now look at this transitional word. Let's go ahead and say it together. Then we will decide how our poem will look on the page. Okay, so good writers decide how they're going to be writing their poem on the page. Are you going to do a shape poem? Are you going to be doing a poem with pattern sentences or repetition, rhyming words? We're going to figure out how your poem's going to look on the page and what pictures you're going to make. What are you going to do? Good writers think about these things as they're writing, and we're going to do this when you're writing poetry today. Okay, let's go ahead and look at this transitional word starting with capital L, like L lamp ul. Last. Last, we'll look at the Lexia data and do literacy centers. Dun, 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 Lexia Core 5 reading program. We're going to look at the data. We're going to be doing centers. We're going to see, first of all, for Lexia, how many units you passed, if you met your goal this week. We are going to be working on the All About Colors poem using the template. And we're also going to be doing some other things like building CVC words. We're going to do beginning sound puzzles, ending sound puzzles, sight words, and reading books. All right, it is a great day. Love Miss Joyner. It is a great day. It's fantastic. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Or do you like question of yes or no? Answers for today is dun dun dun. Do you like colorful eggs? Well, do you? Think about your answer, and we're going to be a great communicator and share our reason why. Do you like colorful eggs?